as y'all can see, you can't see our snow-capped mountain anymore. It is a storming, and it's getting cold. What you think, Mr. Childers?
I think tomorrow there'll be a bunch of snow up on that mountain.
Yeah, see, you can barely see it.
That's Humphrey Mountain here at Flagstaff. It's 12,633 feet high.
Woo! Now that's high. Yep, you can see it just a little bit. Yep.
They might not see it in the video.
I bet there will be snow on that mountain in the morning.
Yep.
We'll see. As you can see, there's snow on the mountain, waiting on packages, and what a gorgeous place to wait. How's your birthday going?
Outstanding. I'm here with two beautiful women. It's a beautiful day. What more can I say? It's awesome.
Shirley's with us.
Hi. We're having a great dinner out.
At Olive Garden, look at this food.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
You're old enough to retire now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Does that man get somebody else to fix the generator?
No.
Oh.
Darn.
So, look. Chicken Parmesan. Ooh. And what did you get?
Oh, I got the same thing.
Fettuccine Alfredo.
With grilled chicken.
Oh, yes.
Mm-hmm. Really
Y'all need to come and patronize these restaurants now.
Yep, and look at social distancing.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 tables around us that they're not using. They're doing such a great job.
Yeah.
They are doing an awesome job. Awesome.
Love it.
See how far away those folks are there? And look, there's one way back there in the back. Love it.
To us, like the whole restaurant is open.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Same Olive Garden. A little, their menu is shorter.
Mm-hmm.
They only offer certain things.
That's
But
understandable.
other than that, it's awesome.
Mm-hmm. Delicious.
Oh, we have a fabulous view too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So we're here at Walnut Canyon, and these are the only things that are open. So here we go. Wow. It's a shame because the most beautiful part of this is down in the canyon. But I'll post a video up in the corner because we did that before.
Oh, you gonna film some more?
You hear the birds? Even though we only get to walk the rim, it's so pretty. See?
I love all cultures.
They knew how to farm the land too, to
I
survive.
love history.
Yep. You could spend a lifetime in Asia and not get to all the history. But it's so amazing. And the people are amazing. You know, the local people, the indigenous people.
Yeah, I
They're
find
so
that
amazing.
everywhere I've ever
Yeah.
been with the local people
Yeah.
have it together.
So how close are you?
We don't even get to go the whole rim.
Oh, can't go down there, huh?
That's not cool.
Well, they're doing what they're required to do. That's a beautiful place. This is just like where we're camping. Like this.
This is nice.
And the road, after you get off the forest road, the road going in is a little ruddy, but hey, you got to take
Two, a girl and my son.
you know.
My son is engaged first before she did,
Yeah.
but he did not act to get married before the sister. So the sister goes, nope, we're getting married this year. You get married next year. We're not gonna be getting married the same year.
Well, yeah,
But to us, as long as they're happy,
that's their business, you know.
yep. But the protector is really my youngest daughter. Maybe some other stuff in the farm or in the desert.
That was really the thing where a lot of these native people, the roads we have now,
They used to use it, yeah.
Well, how far is it?
17 feet.
It's what?
17 feet.
Right.
That's 17 feet from there to there?
Yeah.
Right.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
It's actually bigger than I thought.
It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. My living room in my big house was that big.
Right. It doesn't look that big, does it?
No, it does not. Wow.
It always fascinates me. I do that for anytime we come across.
So
rooms like
17
this.
feet from the opening
From the
here
opening
to the
back
wall. Wow.
Mel Gibson did was a good depiction.
It's a good 25 feet across there, though.
Yeah.
Made in South America.
I think I saw
It always fascinates me just the footprint that they use.
Yeah.
And this
Well,
would be multifamily.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole family would live in there.
I
Exactly.
did that the other day.
Wow. Because they slept on the ground, so
Correct.
yeah. Wow.
Oh, what was that one? What we had at home?
Yeah, these are the ponderosas.
Ponderosa pine. Oh. And those needles.
We're practicing social distancing even though we know each other.